In a recent project, I received an animation as an MP4 video, and I had to recreate it entirely with HTML and CSS. It was challenging, but in this video, I will share my method step by step. As I always say, a big animation is just a collection of smaller animations. When you break down this animation, we can see it has three key parts: the map stretching animation, the growth of the indicator, and the curved dashed line animation, which is the trickiest part. Let's start by setting up the base of all elements. We'll begin by creating the map wrapper. This container holds everything and needs position relative. So the elements like the indicator and the dashed line can be positioned absolutely over the map, because the wrapper will naturally take the same width and height as the map. And here is our map. We give it a width and border radius. The first part of the animation involves stretching the height of the map. Start with cropped view, which expands to reveal the full map. To achieve this, we'll use the clip path property. So we set the initial clip path to show only part of the map. Then we animate it to reveal the full map. This creates a smooth reveal effect for the map. And next is the map indicator. It's an SVG element. Its animation is simple. It grows from transform scale 0 to transform scale 1 with a slight delay. And the last step is animating the curved dashed line. This part was the most challenging. To create the dashed line animation with pure HTML and CSS, I had to analyze and break it into smaller steps. First, the dashed line looks like a piece of rectangle with a border radius, isn't it? So let's start with building our rectangle. The second step now is to show only the portion of the rectangle we need and hide the other part we don't need. For this, we'll wrap it inside a div container called the map line. By using the clip path property, we'll mask the unnecessary parts. Great. This confines the visible area of the rectangle and creates the illusion of a curved dashed line. And the last step is to create the motion. We'll animate the rotation of map line. Awesome. We want to ensure the animation is only visible within the designated bounds. So we need to place it within a div container with overflow hidden. We give the class of mapline wrapper. And that's it. Each part of the animation was broken into small steps, building the shapes, masking them, and applying smooth transitions. By approaching it this way, we turned a seemingly complex effect into something achievable with pure HTML and CSS. I'll attach the code pen link in the description below. Feel free to experiment with the animation and make it your own. If you have any question, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like more tutorials like this one.